coach.
Itu coach siapa tuh?
Jangan di sini bang.
Anak belum bangun, jam nunggu ya.
Very good. Sama itu.
Iya, lari-lari sampai ke sini saya.
Kemarin terbang sama-sama. Dah, yung 40 kemarin nyampe ya? Tidak tadi jam 3.
Itu urusan ini.
Kayak lu. Baik itu mana, Beb? Sudah tanda tangan kontrak sama pihak hotel, jadi tidak bisa dibatalkan.
Iya sih kok itu terus memang aturannya.
Bang, gua mau ngambil gini bang.
I think we never win a gold medal with rowing, ever. So, tujuan pertama, 1 medal emas. But I can tell you we will try and we will fight for more than that. I think our group is very good. We have the best team ever. And if you are in the final, everything can happen. And we are going to try to win 1 medal emas, maybe 2 medal emas, maybe more medal. We will try, but we are ready.